I'm back. Okay, so Fortnite Season 8. So this is... Never mind, let's just jump in. We got a cutscene.
Hello there.
What's up?
Yep, not gonna switch. Okay, so that was the cutscene. So I don't want to spend too much time in the lobby, but I just want to look at the stuff real quick. Master key, and then the tier 100 skin is this chick. That's it. I'm gonna get the battle pass. So I read the patch notes, and I don't want to go into too much detail and make this video 20 minutes long, but long story short, planes revolted. Oh, no way, a new lobby? Okay, wow, there's a ton of new stuff. Okay, I'm excited. The block was moved over there. Sunny steps. And that's it for this area. Then there's a volcano. I'm gonna land here. I'm probably gonna die right here. Like, see, these new locations, like you don't understand them on the first day, and then there's a ton of people coming here. But we got a gun, which is good. I wanted that kill. Yep, that's what I did. You know what's dumb? You know how much damage lava does to you? Wanna take a guess? 1. And I'm glad Dusty Divot's still intact, because that was my favorite spot. I didn't mean to jump out. That's cool. Press spring. Won't shoot me up. Okay, I gotta try this. Okay. Oh, that's cool.
What's up?
That's someone. So the fire guy has a throne in there.
Boy, if you don't get...
Hey, man. I thought I heard someone up here.
Hello there.
Yep.
Come here, boy! Nope.
Yeah, that's gonna work. So who has high ground? That guy. Okay, why can't I kill him? What? So I need to land up here, and then I'm gonna jump in. There's a chest there. I need to get this first. Okay, see, that was totally worth it. So still no one... Oh, there's finally someone. Okay, there's someone over there. Okay, there's someone... Okay, I missed an unacceptable amount of shots there, but... Stay here. Gotta love the people who do that. You gotta love. I'm at 7 HP. Oh man. Okay, that's my chest. Okay, I'm really worried about that stuff falling off. So, wait. I didn't think this through. Okay, I see. So I'm just gonna land on the next one. Okay, yeah. Alright, can you stop? Okay, I can't edit. Oh, hello, sir? Okay. He killed himself. Still at 24 HP because I missed all of my SMG shot. This time, I'm gonna get a gun, and I'm gonna get a lot of kills. Instead of getting a gun, waiting running around until I see someone, and then dying. Okay, I don't get what happened there, but I'm gonna take that I survived. I'm missing way more shots than I should. Okay. 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 I can't get my. Okay. They reduce the spawn rate of the better assault rifles, like the ones that are actually usable. Also would help if I had better aim. Well, now 2 people are about to die. I'll take an extra kill. Okay, let me reload. What the heck? Wait, what the? Wait, what? I had 8 kills. Where'd that person come from? He had 2 kills.